Hello, you're welcome to this session of our class. In this class, we are considering two fractions. We are asked to add this to this and this to this. If you observe carefully, you will notice that this one has common denominators, while this one doesn't have common denominator. In this case, what it means is that if we assume that what is represented here is a loaf of bread, you know that this fraction is not up to 1, it's 1 over 5, which means the whole was divided into 5 and one part of it is measured. So if we consider this to represent a loaf of bread, we have a loaf of bread. This loaf of bread is equally divided into 5. Equally divided into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another loaf of bread of the same size. They are of the same size because they have the same denominators. They have the same denominators. Another loaf of bread of the same size is also divided into 5. So, why this is 1 over 5? This is 1 over 5. So a share here is equal to a share here. They have common denominators. And we are told that this is 1 over 5, 1 out of 5, and this is 2 out of 5, and we are putting them together. We simply say 1 plus 2, which will give us 3 over 5. If you put this, move this from here to here now, it becomes 1, 2, 3 out of 5. They have the same denominator, so you just add up the numerators and you get your answer. But in this case, the denominators are not the same, and you cannot just add the numerators and get your answer. No, because they are not in common terms. For example, if we are given another loaf of bread of the same size with this, but that loaf of bread now is not divided into 5 any longer, but it is divided into 4. So a share here is 1 over 4, another share 1 over 4, another share 1 over 4, another share 1 over 4, and we put all of them together, you have 1, isn't it? Just as you have 1 over 5 here, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, you put all of them together, you have one whole loaf of bread. So a share here, something that is divided into 4 and something that is divided into 5. If they are of the same size, one part of this one that is divided into 4 will be bigger than this one that is divided into 5. Therefore, you cannot conveniently add 2 of them together. You have to put them in the same terms. Just like when you are asked to add minutes to seconds. No, you have to change seconds to minutes, or you change minutes to seconds, so that both terms will be on the same level before you can add them. That is the same thing with these two fractions. Since they are not in the same denominator, you have to find a common ground for them. In mathematics, we call it common denominator. And the one that will be very convenient is the one we call the lowest of the common, the common denominator becomes the LCM, the lowest common multiple of this and this. Now, what are the multiples of 4? The multiples of 4 are 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20. So we can stop here. Then for 5, the multiples of 5 are 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20. We have gotten something common, so we can stop here. So the common denominator of these two fractions is 20. So we are going to use 20 to carry out this operation in order to bring these two terms to a common term. Alright. Haven't found this? You said 4 divide 20, you get 5. 5 times 1 give us 5 plus 4. 5 divide 20, we get 4. 4 times 2, we have 8. So this will be equal to 5 plus 8, 13 over 20. Nothing can simplify further, so this becomes the answer of 1 over 4 plus 2 over 5. Thank you for being part of this class. I hope you have learnt the difference between adding fractions of common denominators and fractions of uncommon denominators. And please, would you do this for me at the comments section? 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Thank you. Like, comment, and share this lesson so that others can benefit. Thank you, and let's meet in our next class.